But Joel chapter 2 and verse 12. I love this part. Oh my God, I just want to jump off this platform and shake somebody. This is for everybody who deals with guilt, everybody who deals with shame, everybody who feels like, I don't know if I could concentrate because you don't know what I've been doing. There's no way God is going to listen to me. He's not going to hear me. Man, I've been in sexual immorality. Man, I've been far away from God. I know it's a new year, but I'm not feeling God right now. I'm far away. This is for all of us who are dealing with that. Listen what he says in verse 12. Yet even now, in the middle of your rebellion, declares the Lord. Watch this word. Return to me. Return to me with all of your heart. How do you do that? With fasting. With weeping. With mourning.